JOBO Frame Factory has advanced frame production equipment and technology. CNC undercutting machine, automatic grinding machine, robot 3D laser cutting machine, CNC machining center, CNC lathe, automatic tube shrinking machine, CNC tube bender, 2-axis hard mold hydraulic press, horizontal milling machine, horizontal arc punching machine, rear triangle CNC pipe bender, cutting groove duckbill integrated machine, pipe belt sander, pipe material cloth wheel grinding machine, mold warehouse, pipe cleaning line, hard soldering area, parts welding line, front triangle welding line, front triangle comparison, rear triangle welding line, assembly, welding, alignment, measurement, T for heat treatment furnace, vehicle alignment table, eyeballing machine, down to battery box inspection, vehicle inspection platform, T6 heat treatment furnace, hardness testing, middle tube cutting hook machine, head tube inner diameter boring and chamfering milling machine, middle pipe reamer, inspection head tube diameter, middle pipe stranding machine, 5 strokes of the teeth, 5-pass dental inspection, disc brake milling machine, disc brake plane inspection, exterior grinding of the whole car, detail grinding, automatic film line, frame transfer line, spraying online area, automatic electrostatic powder spraying machine, powder oven line, automatic liquid paint baking, cut color painting, paint refinishing, paste water marking line, automatic gold spraying oil, finished frame inspection area, frame testing, horizontal force fatigue test, frame vertical force fatigue test, pedal force fatigue test, disc brake mount fatigue test, front and rear vibration test, fork impact test,